Pulsing thunderstorms occur whenever there is a bunch of instability, but nearly minimal shear. Inverted V's also contribute to why these storms produce so many downbursts, microbursts, and hail. And as well as storms coming and going, meaning you can have 40-mile-per-hour winds and then all of a sudden it goes back down to 20 and it's fine. My god. Weather just went from 1 to 10 real quick and now back to like 4. And here's a good time lapse of what pulsing thunderstorms would look like in the daytime. Now I'll replay the time lapse, but synchronized with the current radar